Who are the Kurds? The Kurds are an ethnic group predominantly inhabiting a region known as Kurdistan, which spans parts of Turkey, Syria, Iraq, and Iran. They are recognized as the fourth largest ethnic group in the Middle East, with an estimated population of nearly 40 to 50 million people. The Kurds share a common language, culture, and history, but they have never had a sovereign state of their own. They have faced a marginalization, discrimination, and attempt at assimilation by the governments of the countries they live in, which has resulted in various degrees of the conflict and tensions. Despite lacking a unified political entity, the Kurds have been active in seeking greater autonomy and cultural rights. In Iraq, they have established the Kurdistan Regional Government, known as KRG, which enjoys a significant level of self-governance. Kurdish forces have played a major role in fighting the Islamic State known as ISIS in Syria and Iraq. The Kurdish struggle for self-determination has given rise to various political parties and organizations with different ideological orientations.